In this video, I will explain the new Nigerian tax bills and its benefits in a layman language that you'll be surprised it is this simple. But first, let me tell you something that will surprise you.
Festival 2025.
As you are watching this video right now, Nigeria might be enforcing a tax law that lawmakers never voted. Since we are the ones that voted for these lawmakers, it means that we do not vote for this tax law. This is not a rumor, not a WhatsApp gist. This was said inside the National Assembly. The tax law Nigerians are using are not the ones we passed. Now, ask yourself one simple question. If a law was changed after voting, if nobody knows who changed it, and government is already using it to collect money, is that law even legal? That alone should make you angry. But here is where the story gets more confusing and more important as well. Inside this same controversial tax law, there are massive benefits for the poor people, salary earners, and small business owners that many Nigerians don't even know about. So today, I will do three things. One, I will explain what went wrong and why people are complaining or shouting. Two, I will break down the real fears businesses are having, and most importantly, I will show you how this tax law can actually help you if you understand it very well. Stay with me to the end because this one affects your pockets directly. Okay, let's start from the real problem. In December 2025, after the National Assembly passed the tax law reform bills, the law was published in the official government gazette. Then, lawmakers looked at it and said, this is not what we approved. An investigative panel later confirmed that unauthorized changes were made to the tax laws. This was reported by Premium Times and African Business. What exactly was changed? They reduced tax thresholds, meaning people and businesses that were supposed to be protected suddenly entered higher tax brackets. For example, what Parliament agreed was one thing. What was published dragged more people into paying higher taxes. Number two, they removed court protection. In the original version, tax people, that's tax collectors, whatever you can call it, must go to court before seizing your property. But in the published version, they can act without court order first. That is dangerous for ordinary Nigerians. Number three, they added a 20% payment to complain. What that means, if you want to challenge tax in court, you must first pay 20% of the amount they say you owe. So if they accuse you of owing 5 million naira, that means you will bring 1 million first before court will even listen to you. Number four, they removed National Assembly oversight. Parliaments were supposed to monitor the tax authority, the tax collectors. That power was removed. Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar openly called it treason. Peter Obi also raised an alarm and concerns about it. Nigerians are being asked to obey a law that may have been secretly rewritten. That act alone creates fear, confusion, and distrust in the government. Now, let's talk about the second fear, jobs and businesses. This is where companies are panicking. Capital gains tax, CGT. This is tax on profit from selling your land, selling your property, selling your shares or investment. Before, it used to be 10%, but now it is 30%. 30%, you heard that right? That is a big percentage. Come to think of it, if you have 100 million naira and they take out 30% of it, that is 30 million naira. That's a big sum of money. Arise TV and business analysts warn that this can cause capital flight. Investors taking their money out of Nigeria, going somewhere else, Ghana, South Africa, or even moving back to Europe. Ask yourself, if companies leave, who loses job? It's not the politicians, it is you and me, ordinary Nigerians. that will still suffer it are suffering it. Add to that new 4% development levy, confusion around free trade zones. So business are asking, is government thinking long term or just looking for a quick way to make money? At this point, many Nigerians are thinking this law is just a punishment. But this is where most people stop talking. Now, let me open the most important part so you understand its benefits or the benefits in it. This tax law contains one of the strongest protections for poor Nigerians ever written. Yes, you heard that right. Many of you will not be paying tax at all. Many small businesses owe zero tax, and many daily expenses are now tax-free. Let me break it down slowly, folks. If you earn minimum wage or less, or up to 1.2 million per year as annual salary, you pay zero personal income tax. Zero, nothing. This protects cleaners, security guards, drivers, factory workers, many junior civil servants. Salary earners get relief if you earn up to 20 million per year. Your payee tax has been reduced. The system now works like a ladder. Small income equals to small or zero tax. Big income equals to higher tax. So middle class Nigerians, they go breathe small. Small businesses pay 0% company tax. This one is big. If your business makes 100 million naira or less yearly and assets below 250 million naira per year, you pay 0% company income tax, no 4% development levy, no withholding tax, no VAT charges. This will help small shops, SMEs, family businesses, startups to grow. Government is saying grow first, then pay later. Number 4, food, health, and school are VAT-free. VAT-free. VAT is now 0% on basic food items, education, healthcare, drugs, sanitary pads, etc., etc. This affects every household. Market women benefits, parents benefit from it, and everybody in Nigeria, as long as you eat food, benefits. And number 5, bank charges reduced. That 50 naira stamp duty removed for transfers below 10,000 naira. Salary payments, no stamp duty. Small savings, but daily savings will add up. Let me now guide you like a brother. Need to know step 1. Know where you belong. Ask yourself, am I a minimum wager? Am I a salary earner? Or am I a small business? Many people are overpaying out of ignorance. Follow correct information. Ignore WhatsApp fearmongers or messages. Follow National Assembly releases, Presidential Tax Reform Committee, trusted outlets like Premium Times and BBC Pidgin. Follow me. Share, like, subscribe for more information. Keep simple records. Even if you are not educated, no wahala, that's not a problem. Write down your income, track your expenses, keep your bank alerts or receipts. They say knowledge is protection. And finally, step 4, get help if you are big. If you sell land, invest or own properties, CGT, capital gains tax, is serious. Talk to an accountant. Finally, let's be honest. This tax reform has 2 phases. Not be 2 phases, DBL. Phase 1, alleged tampering, broken trust, scared businesses. And the other phase, poor people are protected, small businesses are lifted, essentials are made cheaper. But both phases are true, both of them are. Your job as a Nigerian is Don't suffer because of ignorance. Take the benefits meant for you. Still, demand accountability from government. If this explanation helped you, like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone that doesn't understand this new tax law or tax at all. Drop your question below. Are you relieved? Are you confused? Or are you angry? I will answer you in the comment section or in my next video. Stay informed, stay sharp. See you in the next one. Signing out.
Festival 2025.